Namaste, welcome you all, my dear students, in this educational program conducted by Joint School Family Rupandehi. And today we are in the 13th day. Okay, and today we are going to continue this lesson 1.4, drinking water. Okay, my dear students, in the previous chapter, we learned the importance of water. We learned about the source of water. We learned about the use of water. Yes, and you see, we also learned that Nepal is rich in water resources. Still, there is a scarcity of drinking water in the country. Okay, we know Nepal has more than 6,000 rivers and rivulets here in our country. Yes, and still, yes, it has not been able to provide sufficient drinking water to our people. Okay, my dear students, it means though it is rich in water resources after Brazil, yes, still big number of people are still deprived from this pure drinking water. Okay, remember here, my dear students, and these water resources, okay, can be made sufficient. Yes, can be provided sufficiently, or we can solve these problems of water resources, okay, by what is starting a big project. Yes, if we start a big project like Melamchi, yes, which is going on to provide drinking water for the people of Kathmandu Valley. Such projects, such another big number of projects should be started here. Okay, again, we also should control the leakage of water. Yes, again, we should solve the problem what is leakage problem. Okay, or we can also provide what is rain water harvesting, or means collecting rainwater. Yes, that is what you call rain harvesting. Okay, rainwater harvesting, it means a collection of rainwater. Okay, and if we are able to do this, okay, then we can solve the problems of drinking water. Okay, in the previous class we learned that the water is not good to drink. Yes, though there is sufficient rivers here, though there are big number of rivers here. Okay, my dear students, and here in this class we are going to learn about the process of purifying water. How can we make our water pure? Okay, my dear students, and because for healthy manpower, yes, for strong manpower, yes, we need to have, yes, healthy water, yes, pure water, and this water we drink, before we drink, we should make it pure. Okay, it means we should drink water only after we purify it. Okay, and here let's talk about the methods of the purification of water here. Yes, let me tell you here, filtration. Yes, filtration is one of the best methods, yes, of purifying our water. Yes, filter. Yes, next, boiling. Yes, boiling is another methods of purifying our water we drink. Okay, next, using different chemicals before we drink. Yes, water. Yeah, first we collect water in a pond, in our utensil, in our bucket or pond, a pot. Yes, and we drop some chemical there. Okay, then only we drink. Yes, next one is solar drinking water disinfection studies. It means we keep the water, yes, uh, in our sun rays, sun, yes, I've got here, and because of sun rays, yes, the harmful chemicals or the harmful bacteria, yes, can be killed, yes, and the water become disinfected, infected, yes. So this method, what you call solar drinking water disinfection method. So this method, okay. Next one is sedimentation and decantation, okay. Sedimentation and decantation. This is also another most important methods to purify our water, okay. You see, sedimentation means it is the process of depositing, yes, the solid materials that settle at the bottom of liquid. Yes, we collect water in the pot, and water, some what is waste materials, maybe mud, maybe sand, yes, matters, other materials, yes, can be deposited at the bottom of the liquid. Yes, that is what we call sedimentation methods. What is? Remember here, sedimentation methods. Next one is decantation. Yes, it means, what is? The process to separate mixtures by removing a liquid layer. Yes, it is free of precipitate or solids deposited from a solution. Yes, I means when we collect water in a pot or a bucket, yes, the solid matter will deposit it at the bottom, yes, and water will come up, yes, will come up, yes, and that upper layer of water we use for drinking, yes, and this method is known as what is decantation methods. Okay, my dear students, okay, let me tell you this point in Nepali. Yes, sedimentation, यसको अर्थ के त भन्दाखेरि हामीले कुनै भाँडामा पानी भर्यो भने के त जस्तै कुनै बेला हाम्रो भरेको पानी अथवा खोलाको पानी अथवा इनारको पानी कहिले के त त्यो धमिलो हुन सक्छ, फोहोर हुन सक्छ, अनि त्यो भाँडामा हामी के त त्यसलाई जम्मा गर्छौं, राख्छौं, यस, अनि त्यो जुन माटो अथवा बालुवा अथवा चाहिँ कुनै फोहोर चीजहरु के त पिँधामा जान्छ, यस, अनावश्यक जुन तत्त्व छ, मेटेरियल्स छ, त्यो के त पिँधामा जान्छ, अनि त्यो प्रोसेसलाई के भन्छ त भन्दाखेरि सेडिमेन्टेसन प्रोसेस भन्छ है त। अगेन नेक्स्ट वाट इज डिकान्टेसन भनेको के त फेरि जब चाहिँ ढुङ्गाहरू, गिटीहरू अथवा चाहिँ बालुहरू अथवा माटो, हिलो जे छ अथवा नचाहिने फोहोर चिजहरू पिँधामा गएर बदिन्छ, अनि के त पानी पछि सङ्लिन्छ, यस, अनि माथिको पानी के त सफा भएर निक्लिन्छ है। अनि त्यो माथिको जुन सफा भाग छ, यस, जुन माथि जब माथि पानी उत्रिन्छ त्यो भागले के भन्छ, त्यो पानीले के भन्छ त भन्दाखेरि त्यो प्रोसेसलाई के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि डिकान्टेसन प्रोसेस। ओके, यस, आई जस्ट टेल यु टु मेक इट क्लियर in Nepali also. Okay, my dear students, remember here. Now I hope you have understood what I have told you just now. Okay, so now let's talk about the problems. Okay, let's talk about the problems of drinking water in our country. Yes, remember here, and the first point. Yes, and the first point is what is half of the total population is deprived of pure and safe drinking water. Yes, though we just now I told you, though we are rich in water resources, yes, we have a big number of rivers. Yes, just now I told you we have more than 6,000 rivers and rivulets. Yes, still, yes, a big number of people are deprived from this drinking water, pure drinking water. Yes, remember that is what you call half of the total population is deprived of pure and safe drinking water. Have you got, my dear students? Okay. Again, the next point. Let me tell you the next point. In the hilly areas, yes, the source of water is very far. Yes, people, they have to carry water from a long distance. Yes, in a bucket, sorry, in a pond. sorry, in a pot or basket. Yes, they keep pot on that, in that basket, and carry the basket on the back and carry water from a long distance. Yes, they have to walk uh, more than 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, yes, and more to bring water. Okay, and the sources of water, yes, are also very limited there. Okay, remember here again. Next, presence of arsenic in the tube well water. Yes, you know, in the previous class also I told you, yes, in Tarai area, yes, the water is supplied through our tube well, yes, hand pump, yes, and but this water, okay, hand pump water or tube well water, yes, is not pure. I mean, it contains what is a harmful chemicals, yes, called arsenic. What is arsenic? Okay, this is also the problems of Tarai area. Okay, my dear students, again, and the most of the source of water, yes, get polluted. Yes, most of the sources of water get polluted because people are not so conscious. Yes, because there lack awareness among the people. Yes, people are not aware about this sanitation, so they make the source of water dirty, polluted. Okay, they wash their clothes there, they pass their urine there. Yes, they bath their animal there. Yes, they throw their waste garbages there. Yes or no? So because of this, big problems of pure drinking water is there. Okay, remember here. Next, difficult topography to run drinking water. You know, our country, yes, the most part of our country is covered with high hill and mountain. Yeah, so in such area, in such places, yes, running water supply or supplying sufficient, smooth water supply is very difficult. Okay, because of difficult land topography. Okay, it is very difficult to it is very difficult to develop or to construct drinking water project. Yes, because of difficult land topography. Yes, yes, because it lacks what is transportation, it lacks electricity. So because of this, yes, it has become very difficult to construct or to run drinking water project. Okay, next, lack of source of water in urban area. In urban area, no source of water. Yes, because urban area is covered with houses, roads, buildings. Yes, and the source of water remain dried because of lack of forest, lack of trees. Okay, my dear students, and you see, next, again, we are also going to study or learn about the solutions, how the problems of drinking water can be solved in Nepal. Yes, here we are going to learn, yes, how to solve the problems of drinking water in our country. Yes, the first point, we have to conserve and keep the water resources clean. Yes, keep our water resources very clean, conserve, protect, preserve. Yes, and use drinking water after purity test only. Yes, the water we drink, yes, should be pure. We should drink water only after it get tested, after purity test only. Before drink, we have to make it pure, and we have to go for lab test. Then only we drink. Yes. Next, make arrangement of drinking water with coordination of government sector and local community. Yes, for providing good water supply to all the people. Yes, there must have coordination and cooperation. Yes, among the people of the locality. Yeah, and also should be cooperation with the government. Should be coordination. Should have coordination with the government sector also. Yes, if there is cooperation among the government people, government sector and the local people, yes, then easily, yes, there can be provided what is good and pure drinking water. Okay, my dear students, again, use boiled water or filter water. Yeah, before we drink, we must keep our water in filter. Yes, use filter water or use boiling water. Okay, and next one is reservoirs of drinking water should be clean time to time. Yes, the water we reserve, where we reserve water, where we keep water for our use. Yes, and that area, that place, okay, that what is tank or reservoirs, yeah, should be clean. Yes, it should be clean. Again, there also should be awareness among the people regarding the proper use of water without wasting it. You know, water is very valuable things for us, because in the previous class also we learned no water, no survival, no existence. Okay, so for these we have to be very careful while using this water. Means we should not waste unnecessary waste. We should use water very carefully, not to waste too much. Okay, because water is our life. Okay, so if we use them carefully, then our future generation will not have to face the problem of drinking water. Okay, my dear students, so for this there must be awareness among the people regarding the proper use of water without wasting it. No wastation of water, no waste of water. Yes, remember here. So this much for today, and before concluding my class, I would like to give you some activities for your practice. Okay, my dear students, and here are some questions I'm going to give you. Yes, short answer questions. Okay, and very short answer question. Okay, you see, my dear students, very short answer question carry 1 marks. Okay, and short answer question carry 6 marks. So I'm going to give you very short and short answer question. Okay, my dear students, very short and short answer questions. Okay, first let's see here, very short answer question, very short answer questions. Okay, my dear student, and these questions, this type of question carry 1 marks. Okay, yes, let's see here. First number question, for what purposes is water used? Okay, my dear students, next question, what is how do sources of water get polluted? Okay, my dear student, next, list out the waterborne disease. Okay, next, what are the sources of water? Okay, my dear student, these are the 1 marks questions. Again, short answer questions. Okay, short answer questions. Okay, my dear students, just list the importance of water in human life. Okay, next question is, what is the current situation? What is the current situation of water supply in Nepal? Okay, next question, what are the problems of drinking water in Nepal? Okay, suggest the possible measures to solve it. Next, last question, write a letter to the drinking water corporation requesting them to provide regular water supply in your town. Okay, my dear student, let me repeat the questions once again. Yes, first let's see very short answer question. This carry 1 marks for each question. Yes, 1 more question, for what purposes is water used? Okay, and the next, how do sources of water get polluted? Next question, list out the waterborne diseases. Yes, and the next, what are the sources of water? Okay, these are the very short answer questions. Okay, next, short answer questions. These questions carry 6 marks. 6 marks. Each question carries 6 marks. Okay, let me read here. First number question, list the importance of water in life. Okay, and the next, what is the current situation of water supply in Nepal? Yes, again, the third questions, what are the problems of drinking water in Nepal? Also suggest the possible measures to solve it. Okay, my dear student, and again the last question, yes, write a letter to the Drinking Water Corporation, yes, requesting them to provide regular water supply in your town or in your locality. Okay, and this much for today, and with this I like to conclude my class here, and we will be together again in the next class. Thank you and namaste.